Hello, kittens. Time for an extra feeding. We're feeding a little bit of wet cans to help Trillian gain her weight. And Trillian's not even looking at me except for pointing her ears towards me. Here I am. She's like, hey, it's Daddy. Hello, miss. Hello, mommy. I know you guys are tired. That way you'd be more likely to eat more instead of playing. Alice knows what's going on. Actually, I'm prepared up there. I'm wearing this shirt to make a fan smile. Oh, not to make them smile, to cause them to smile. Hold on, Mama. I don't believe wet food was causing Mom's soft stool, so I'm okay with feeding them again. You eat over there. You remember this stuff, Trillian. You like this stuff. Emily never ate the wet, so there she goes. If you want to go back to sleep, Emily, you can. roughing it up so their little tongues can pick up the food easier, so they can eat it before Mama inhales everything. We had a nice sunny day today. Looks like the clouds are starting to roll in. Forecasted for a few days of light rain. Hang in there, kitty. Nice save. Feel a sneeze coming. And it's gone. You know, done, Trill? Nope. Mom's been, as I said earlier, I stopped feeding her soft food because I was thinking it might have been causing her soft stools, Mom's. But it didn't make a difference. And then the viewer saw that she had a worm, so we got her treated for that. And she finally had a solid stool in the box today, so that's really good. You guys like that, huh? After dinner baths? Hey there. Trying to get Emily to purr. Did you out eat your mom? Wow. I saw that. ate all the rest of the food. Let her, you can clean the plate later. I use a fork to rough up the food because when you're licking it, it tends to smooth it out, so it's harder to pick up. Hi, Gail. I believe Emily will make weight. She's only pretty much around 3 ounces shy of 2 pounds. But this is just a little extra insurance. She's been averaging, or she's been gaining occasionally an ounce a day, half an ounce to an ounce, just eating the regular dry food. I sent an email request for a neuter spay date next week. If it's available, I'm going to try for Tuesday. That means the adoption event will be the 21st. You done, Trillian? Here, let me put this over here for Mom to finish off. Put this here for me to throw away. They only got about an hour nap before I fed them, so I don't know how much they're going to want to play. Which if they want to fall asleep on my lap, I'll be okay with that. Doesn't mean I'm going to like it though. Earlier today, after the weigh-in at the beginning of the DVR, I picked up Trillian and I was basically hopping her like Pepe Le Pew, and evidently Arthur thought that was really weird because he went poof. There was also a long Q&A session with it too. I think I was in for around an hour, 15 minutes. Gail's in the small litter box. Yeah, Gail's going to be one of those cats that scratches around the litter box, like the wall of the litter box, instead of the litter box itself. Litter, not the blanket. Scratch the litter. Gail may be a type of cat that if you adopt her, she may be okay with pine litter or pellets. Pine litter is good for cases such as odor control. The only thing is it's not clumping litter. When the cats pee on it, it absorbs the pee in the liquid and then turns to powder. So as such, you want to make sure that you only put like an inch or so in the pan, because if you go away for a couple of days, it could really expand. But not all cats like the bigger pellets. Some cats will refuse to use it if they're used to clay. Somebody's poking me in my back. That'd be Emily or Arthur. Nope, Arthur's right there, so it's Emily. She's like going tink, tink, tink. Trillian's tail is so expressive. It's always on the move. What you doing, Arthur? Trillian's in the box. Yay for good box usage. I'll give you a kitty massage. How's that, Alice? A kitty massage is just basically what I'm doing here, petting from head to tail slowly with both hands. She'd probably prefer it if I wasn't on my lap, though. I love it when you suddenly pet that one spot they like. They'd be like playing, all of a sudden they just freeze while you pet it. And then after a few seconds, they like continue. High five. That's right, Trillian. You cover that up. She's peeing. Come here, girl. Arthur just went in the box. And then these bear cub poses are coming along quite well. Looks like Arthur may be a side scratcher too. So he might also be a candidate for pellet. There's pine litter. You can get pellets made out of paper too if you're all into the recycling thing. Pine pellets are just compressed sawdust. If you know of pine pellets for fuel, for like fireplaces and the like, it's the same thing. So if you use pine pellets for pine pellet litter, it may be cheaper. Just go for the fuel stove brand. I think you're done covering. So I'm scratching it. Sorry. I saw him scratching it earlier. I'm making sure it was clean. There you are, Trillian. Alice is always purring when I'm in here. And she likes to be around and lay next to me. I'm not sure that she'll ever be a lap cat. That she has potential for lap cat. But she's definitely at least a beside the lap cat. Kind of like Janine of the last Fosters. The Ghostbusters. Bite his tail, bite his tail. He can't get out. He's stuck. Oh, he got up. There you are, Trillian. Decided to come out and play. Your sister's under there. Look. What was that? She had total crazy eyes going. I will be announcing the adoption procedure the day of their neuter spay, which will be early as Tuesday. If you've been around and seen them for the previous litters, don't jump the gun. Just wait till I announce it. Otherwise, you're just wasting your time. Though, there is one thing you could do if you're thinking about putting in an application, is that you can go to perfectpals.org now, go to the Adopt tab, and download the adoption questionnaire and fill it out, and then get it ready to send in. If you send it in early, it'll just get round filed or trashed. My kitten dealer is it's just taking up too much time fielding requests for information on adopting a foster, so it's not time yet. That's why I've been announcing it often. Okay, I'm gonna go fix myself a dinner. My dinner. Let the kittens fall back asleep. You're all poofy now. Oh yes, there's something I wanted to add during the last visit, but it slipped my mind. So I will add it now. It is called the MewTube. It helps teach them balance because it's not steady. Oops, curtains. Okay, everyone, enjoy the kittens. Have a nice day. Hi, Sadie. Hi, Socks.